Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. I haven't made a upload in a while, but today's just gonna be like a little update video. What do I have going on with the car and what's coming up. While I was gone, actually the car, someone hit me. Not only did I get hit once, but I actually got hit twice. And the same day I got hit, you guys can kind of see right here it's cracked. But I'll put in pictures of both accidents now. So yeah, this car's been sitting for a little bit ever since. I got a new carbon fiber trunk for it already right here. I'm going to go ahead and install this trunk today because why not? I have it here. But yeah, the front bumper's fine. It's just got someone scratched me in the fender just a little bit. So yeah, I already got the brackets in for that. I got the new fenders. I just have to send this off, the new fenders, to get painted. The front bumper is gonna need to get repainted, but I also went ahead and I ordered seats for the car. I'll bring them outside right now. They're inside the house, but ordered new bucket seats for the car. I'm gonna be putting those in once the plated seat mounts come in. Once those come in, then I'm gonna go ahead and make a video show you guys how to install those seats. I also have a harness in my car right now. I ordered both my harnesses. Harnesses came in. You guys can see that real quick. Yeah, I have one harness mounted already. I'm also gonna make a video on how to install those harnesses without the harness bar. I'm gonna make a video on how to install those harnesses once the second one comes in. That way I'm gonna show you guys on the passenger side on how to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bring the seats out, and then I'm gonna update you guys on the new daily that I have. So I just went inside and grabbed the seats. These are the seats I just got for the Genesis Coupe, the option garage seats. And for the carbon trunk, I'm gonna be replacing the carbon trunk with an OEM style C-bond carbon trunk. So yes, and I'm gonna get rid of the duckbill. I'm not gonna get another VIS trunk. Switching over to the C-bond OEM style carbon trunk. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this now. In a different video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install these seats along with the harness that goes with the seats. For the seat harnesses, I got Bridgemoto harnesses. I got purple harnesses as I showed you guys earlier, but now I'm gonna go ahead and swap over the trunks. I also have to go ahead and order new tail lights since when I got rear-ended, the guy got the tail light too. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install the new carbon trunk now. Now for the trunk, you have two 10mm bolts here and two more on this side. All you have to do is pop out all of these clips, just like that. Just pull out the clips. Once you guys pull out the clips, there's also two 10s here. There's a 10 there and there's another 10 right there. Remove all those 10s. You can take this off if the trunk you have doesn't come with one of these. The trunk I have has one of these, so all I have to do is unplug this sensor right here, and all I have to do is take off the whole trunk as long as the bolts. Ryan just stopped by to say what's up, but we got the new trunk on the car now. Anyways, we got the new trunk on the car now. That's how it looks. So yeah, like I said, next video I'll be making will be about the seats and the harness and how to go ahead and install those. Also, got the daily. Maybe I'll make videos on me working on it if I do decide to work on it. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see where the future takes me. But yeah, like I said, this is just like a little update video on how to install this carbon trunk. It's an easy process. It doesn't take that long. If it's a carbon trunk, I think you guys will be able to do it by yourself. Stock trunk, I don't know, that thing's pretty heavy, but yeah, go ahead and give you guys the seats one more time. But yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. I'm gonna try and start uploading more often. I don't know. Just trying to find stuff to do. That I have a day that I can actually focus on making videos on this car. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one.